Uh-oh, what did you find? You moving your crib around the room? Your portable crib? Hi! That's not a phone, that's a video camera. I know it looks like a phone. Video camera. What do you want, huh? You just want me to hand you this and then you can smash it and chew it up. Where are you going? Yeah? You want it? Okay, here you go.